Just a quick video on how to change the toner in an HP LaserJet Pro 400 series printer, model M401n. And to access the toner, there's a button on top with the symbol that HP uses for toner. You'll push down on that and then open the front like so. From there, you can grab the toner by its handle. You kind of pull it out in a diagonal motion, and then once it's far enough out, you can kind of rotate it up and out. When you reinstall the new toner cartridge, you may want to give it a little shake because the toner can settle while in storage. And then when you reinsert it, you want to make sure that these little nubs align with the openings inside. So put it down in there like that at an angle until it rotates into place and then locks into place. Now, if you don't get all the way in, your cover might not shut properly. So in that case, the best thing to do is just back it out and then slide it back in until you feel it go all the way into place. From there, just a simple matter of closing the cover, and it'll do a little cycle to self-test, and you should be good to go. So hopefully that's helpful, and thanks for watching.